Hello students, I am Avdesh Kumar Jha. We are going to discuss the second chapter of History of Class 9. The title of the chapter is Socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. In the previous video, we have learnt about the revolution in February. It means the February Revolution in Petrograd and events subsequent to suspension of the Duma. In this video, we are going to discuss about after February. In the provisional government, army officials, landowners, and industrialists played an important role. In these groups, the liberals and socialists worked for an elected government. Restrictions on public meetings and associations were removed. The Bolshevik leader Vladimir Lenin returned to the Russia from exile in April 1917. Lenin and the Bolshevik had opposed the war since 1914. He felt that it was time for the Soviets to take over power. Lenin gave his April thesis in which he demanded three demands. First one was the war be brought to a close. Second one was the land to be transferred to the peasants. And the third one was the banks be nationalized. Throughout the summer, the workers' movement spread. In industrial area, factory committees were formed. Trade unions grew in number. Soldiers' committees were formed in the army. In June, about 500 Soviets sent representatives to an all Russian Congress of Soviet. It means about 500 Soviets sent representatives to an all Russia Congress of Soviet in June. Lenin wanted the Bolshevik party to be renamed as the Communist Party to indicate its new radical aims. As the power of the provisional governments was reduced and the Bolshevik influence grew, so the provisional government resisted attempts by workers to run factories and began arresting leaders. Popular demonstrations staged by the Bolsheviks in July 1917 were strictly repressed. In the countryside, peasants and their socialist revolutionary leaders pressed for a redistribution of land. Land committees were formed. Peasants seized land between July and September 1917. In the next video, we will discuss about the Russian Revolution of October 1917 and changes after October.